Hi, I'm Kurt with Digital Tutors, and welcome to this course on creating a post-destruction game environment concept using Google SketchUp and Photoshop. In this course, we'll be sharing a creative process on how you can quickly develop an environment concept that contains several architectural structures without having to spend a lot of time manually drawing out and solving all the perspective issues that come along with those types of visual elements. We'll begin by discussing the importance of a concept's composition, which will save you a lot of time when it comes to modeling and laying out structures in SketchUp. From here, we'll demonstrate how you can use a few of SketchUp's basic tools to quickly model structures that resemble buildings. Following this, we'll export a 2D graphic in SketchUp and open it up in Photoshop to begin a layered process of painting over our models and bringing to life our post-destruction concept. Along the way, we'll explore how we can rough in various types of imagery and use some custom foliage brushes to craft our entire concept. After watching this course, you'll have the creative inspiration to develop your own environment concepts using both Google SketchUp and Photoshop. So with that, we'll begin in our next lesson.